Hello friends, I'm Mr. Boy. In this video, I want to teach you how to make an icy drink in 15 minutes. Let's making the drink without losing time. At first, pour some simple syrup in a glass. Then, add some sour cherry syrup to the glass. Add some fresh barberry juice to it. It's time to cut a lemon like this. And extract the lemon juice in the glass. Now, add some loaves of mint into another glass. Then, cut another lemon and add them into the glass and press the lemon. Now, combine both glasses. Add some ice to it for becoming icy. Now, pour soda water to the glass. And you can design it with 2 loaves of mint and a slice of lemon like this. Bon appetit! Like the video, and if you're not a member of my channel, subscribe the channel friends. If you want to learn how to make these delicious drinks, watch the next video.